Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to turn off background music in Bully Anniversary Edition. First of all, launch open your Bully Anniversary Edition game on your device and wait for the main menu to fully load. Once you're inside the game, tap on the map icon at the top right corner. From the expanded menu, click on Settings. Under Settings, tap on Audio from the top and you will see three different menus such as Effects Volume, Music Volume and Speech Volume. You will see sliders for each options. Move the slider towards the left to fully close or turn off the volume. In order to turn on the music and adjust the volume, you can move the slider towards the right. Go ahead and set it according to your preference. If you want to enjoy a quiet experience, you can just move the sliders towards the left and you can easily play the game quietly without making any kind of a noise. And if you want a total silence while playing the game. You can also lower the master volume from your device if you want to play the game quietly. So that's how you can easily turn off background music or sound effects in Bully Anniversary Edition. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.